Hello everyone, this is Sunny Kumar Gupta. Welcome to all of you our online YouTube class. And my dear student, today I am going to teach you chapter 3rd, and that's the rational number. You also know before classes we have discussed about that topic, but today our topic is how to represent the rational number on the number line. Okay, and representation of rational number, how to represent. Okay, so firstly my dear students, you see on the board what I write. So that's the first right representation of rational number on the number line. Okay, you also know what is number line. Okay, if one number line here, you divide in two parts. And that's the between point is 0. That's the between point name is 0. Okay, and just like one side here positive and here negative. Okay, that's the positive part and that's the negative part. Okay, and next here you write the in positive sides positive number and negative side negative number. Okay, and that's the just like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot dot, and next here -1 -2 -3 dot dot. Okay, so that's the presentation of number line. And if any number how to represent. My dear students, you see after between the 0 and 1, that's total 1. That's 1. Okay, and next here between 1 and 2, that's 1. But 0 to 2, that's number is 1. That's number 1. And another thing, my dear student, 0 to 1 divide in two parts. And that's the 1 by 2. That's the 1 by 2. Okay, so if any question asked in that form, how to represent the number, so you also represent the number. Okay, so next here, that's your question. Example for represent the 8 by 3 on number line. 8 by 3 on number line, how to represent. Okay, so how to represent the 8 by 3? So first you take just like you divide in number. It means convert in a mixed fraction. How to convert? So you multiply with that number. After that you get your mixed fraction. So first 8 by 3 equal to 8 by 3. Okay, so firstly you convert in mixed fraction. It means divide with 3 by 8. So 3 to the 6. Okay, here 2. It means 2 purnang 2 by 3. Okay. Okay, it means that's your answer, 2 whole 2 by 3. Okay, so next you convert just like 2 and 2 by 3. So that's number and that's number 2 by 3. So after 3, that's your 3 number. Before 3 number 2 whole 2 by 3. Before 3 2 whole 2 by 3. That's here and that's here. Okay, it means 3 is greater than 2 whole 2 by 3. So firstly you see number 2. So that's your 2 number. That's 2 number. Okay, and after that 2 by 3 and less than 3. So that's your number, less than 3. Next year you divide 2 and 3 in 3 parts. 2 by 3. If you have 3 rupees, then you divide in 2 parts. Okay, that's your 1 and 2. 1 and 2 parts. So that's is 2 by 3. That's the represent by 2 by 3. And whole 2 whole 2 by 3. So that's your answer. Okay, it means your answer is 2 whole 2 by 3. That's the represent. Okay, and next here, how to represent 1 by minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So that's the same sequence. It means firstly you see 1 by 2. That's the 0 and minus 1. So between here minus 1. It means here when you write 1 is greater than minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 is greater than minus 1 by 2. Okay, So you write here, firstly you see that number. Okay, so firstly you see that number, it means 0 and -2. That's the between the -1/2. So that's greater than, it means 1. So firstly you see 2, 1 here. So divide in 2 parts. That's divide in 2 parts. So 1 here. In 2 divide 1. So here that's your number is 1/2 minus 1/2. In simple way, you have 1 rupees. You have 1 rupees and divide in 2 parts. Okay, so that's your number. Part 1 here and here, that's your answer. Representation of -1/2. Okay, are you understand? So that's the representation of number is very simple. So firstly you write divide in 2 parts. That's one part and positive parts and negative parts. One part positive and another part negative. Okay, and that's the between of 0. That's the between points is 0. Okay, that's a not negative and not a positive. Okay, next here you write in positive numbers and here write in negative numbers. Next you represent the number. If any number you represent, if any number you want to represent, so firstly you count down total numbers, then you with the help of denominator, then you what says your numerator, you divide in that parts and write your answer, presentation of that number. Okay, so that's your presentation of representation of rational number on the number line. And next topic we have discussing, firstly you write down here, after that we have discussing next topic. And my dear student, in that type so many questions available in your exercise. So firstly you take that type of question and solution the question of in your copy. Okay. Okay. So next topic, comparison of the number, comparison of rational number. How to comparison the rational number? My dear students, when you solve that type of question, how to comparison of the rational number, comparison of the rational number. So firstly, you follow some step. After that, you also should find the comparison of the rational number. My dear students, first you see if denominator have anything of minus, negative, then firstly you convert in positive, then convert in positive, and next find the equivalent of the fraction, just like denominator same. If denominator same, next you see numerator, and if numerator, which numerator is greater, that's the greater fraction, greater rational number, and which numerator is less, that number is less, that's number less than rational number. Okay, just like you see with one example for on the board. So firstly you see here, we follow the following steps for comparing two rational numbers. How to compare the two rational number? Okay, so that's the first step. Write the given rational number. You just like that's two rational number. Okay, next, so that their denominators are positive. My dear students, that's you see, if one side here -411, that's positive, and next here 2 by -11. So firstly you convert that number if denominator is positive. So how to convert? You also know -11. So multiply with -1. Here also multiply with -1. Then you get -2. Okay, so that's here minus. Okay, so that's number, it means -1, 2 minus 1 -2. Okay, and here 11 into 1. Okay, so you write here minus plus 11. So that's your number is -4 and -4 by 11 and -2 by 11. Okay, next here, that's the positive. Next write the rational numbers so that they have a common positive number. common positive number. Okay, next, now the numerator having greater numerator is the greater number. So my dear student, firstly here both denominator are same. Denominators are same. So that's follow the third step. The numerator having greater number is greater. But here that's minus 4 by 11 and minus 2 by 11. So my dear students, that in that side, if that number available in that way, okay, so that's which number is greater, that is greater number. But here minus, when in number in minus, then denominators are same, that's numerator, which numerator is less, that number is greater. It means that number is greater. So you also write here minus 4 and minus 2. So which number? That's your number is greater. So that's the comparison of number. My dear student, in another way you also write in another way, that's question. Okay, how to? So if here denominator is not same, if here denominator is different, so how to solve them? So firstly you write down. Next, here I also write one example. Okay, so next question, just like 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 and 3 by 7 and 5 by 11. How to comparison? And that's a simple way. You also write just like here, cross multiplication. It means 11 3 ja 33 and 7 5 ja 33. Which is greater? 35 is greater. But that's in simple language. So how to comparison of that number? So firstly you take LCM of that number. LCM of that 7 and 11 LCM. So what is LCM? 7 multiply 11, it means 77. So that's the okay. And next here 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. So firstly you convert the denominator with 77. Okay, when you convert the number with denominator, here 70, 11 7 is 77. You also know which number we multiply with denominator, that same number multiply with numerator also. You also write here 11. So that's your 11 3 is 33 and write here 77. Okay, and next here 5 by 11. Okay, so 5 by 11. When you multiply, so 11 7 is 77. That's the denominator. Okay, next here 7 5 is 35 and here 11 7 is 77. Okay, so that's number. One number here 3 by 7 is equal to 33 by 77. And next here 5 by 11 is equal to 35 by 77. My dear students, you also know that's a denominator is same. That's a denominator is same. If denominator is same, next numerator, which numerator is less? Which numerator is less than, that's less than number, and which numerator is greater, that's number is greater. So here 33 and 35. So which is greater? That's the 35 is greater. It means 33 by 77 and 35 by 77. That's your answer. So my dear student, in that size you comparison of the number. You comparison of that number. In simple language, firstly, if you want to just like objective type of question, that time you take the cross multiplication of that number, and which number is greater, that number is greater number, and which number is smaller, that number is smaller. But in minus, when questions in any numerator is minus, then minus which is less than minus, that's greater, and which is more than minus, that's less than. Okay, are you understand? So my dear student, that's topic complete. And in that period you also write some question. From description box, and you also solve the question. At your home. And so my dear student, you stay home, save your life and continue your study, and you complete your exercise also. Okay, thank you.